Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SeatGeek how to screenshot ticket pictures on PC. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to screenshot the SeatGeek ticket pictures on a PC, the first thing that you need to understand is many SeatGeek tickets, especially mobile-only tickets, intentionally block screenshots for security. If screenshots are blocked, your image may appear black or blank, and this is normal and not a PC issue. If screenshots are allowed, you can use the method 1, that is using Windows screenshot shortcuts. Now first, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar simply type in SeatGeek.com, then enter it. Then once you're inside there, simply tap on the sign in option on the top right here, and then log into your account. Then once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on your profile picture right here, and then you'll find an option that says My Tickets. Simply select that. Then inside, what you need to do is select the tickets that you want to take this screenshot of. And once you're inside the ticket here and your keyword, you can press the print screen button, and that will let you take a screenshot of the ticket. All you gotta do now is simply select the barcode area of the ticket, and then once you select it, your screenshot will be shown right here. Then next method is simply using the snipping tool. You can press the start menu or button on the keyboard, then type in snipping tool, and then this is the app where you can just simply press Ctrl+Shift+S, and that will open the snipping tool as well. Now all you gotta do is select the area, QR code area, and then select it like this, and then leave it, and your screenshot is copied to the clipboard. You can either simply download it or paste on the Paint or any other area like Canva, and from there you can save it and download the ticket. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that is for today's video, guys. Hopefully this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.